So here we have something I'm super excited about because I love my pressure washer. And this is the Selkie pressure washer extension wand upgrade. So what is the extension wand upgrade? Well, it's everything you need to make your pressure washer a multifunctional tool that you could tackle any task that you need around the house or even commercial work. So it comes with a bunch of nozzle tips, and it's stored very easily on the handle, so it's always within a hand's reach, and all the connectors that you need with all the angles that you need to get most about anything done with this convenient kit. So this kit comes with a convenient 30-degree bend curve rod, a 90 and 120 degree curve rod. That one is the really bent one, and that's great for getting leaves out of the gutter and power blasting your gutter, or getting underneath a car from a standing position, which no bending, which is a good move in my book. So that gives you 3 different ways to spread the water, and this means you could get out of reach areas like in your gutters from standing on the ground floor, or not going too high up a ladder, which can be dangerous, or getting underneath cars or trucks. This way there's no bending, which I appreciate that. So all these parts are constructed out of durable stainless steel with brass fitting, and you can really see the good quality in these pieces right here on camera. It will withstand up to 4,000 psi, which top pressure machines for consumers can push out. Each straight wad extension is 15 inches. The curved rods is 6 inches, and the 6-piece wands extend for a total of 97 inch, and that's 8 feet. So it makes it easy to operate, easy to disassemble. As you can see, the quick connect connectors here. It comes with all the washers, rubber washers you need to make a good tight water seal. The 6 spray nozzle tips gives you a wide variety of spray patterns. You got 0, 15, 25, 40, and 65 degree. This variety of sizes can be used for most any or all cleaning jobs. So this is a truly all-in-one kit, which is super convenient. I like the fact that all the nozzles are right there, conveniently located on the handle, the soft rubber handle, and it just turns your average pressure washer into a multitask efficient monster, and you'll be spraying and getting jobs done around your house, and you will not regret picking this up.